Hey everyone, ever thought, why isn't there a magic wand for my social media? Well, guess what? Dreams do come true. If you're drowning in the social media chaos, trying to balance multiple platforms, and dreaming of a world where posting is a breeze, today is your lucky day. Let's explore the Postly Lifetime Deal, a revolutionary deal for social networking in general. What is Postly? A digital genie that takes all your social media hassles away. That's Postly for you. From publishing to analyzing, Postly is like that social media butler you never knew you needed. With Postly, it's not just about posting. It's about intelligent posting. With AI-driven content generation tools like AI Writer and Image Maker, your content isn't just consistent, it's top-notch. Exclusive lifetime deal alert on AppSumo. Regular pricing? A whopping $196. But on AppSumo, a sweet $49. Yep, you heard that right, and this isn't a monthly fee. It's a one-time payment. Score! Now let's get into the juicy details of what you'll be bagging with this deal. License Tier 1. A one-time purchase of $49, down from $196. This plan offers unlimited scheduled posts, 4,000 words for AI Writer per month, 5 workspaces, 30 social accounts. License Tier 2. At $98, down from $552. This includes unlimited posts, 4,000 words for AI Writer monthly, 10 workspaces, 60 social accounts. License Tier 3. For the social media maestros, a one-time fee of $147, down from $828. Unlimited posts, 4,000 words for AI Writer monthly, 15 workspaces, 90 social accounts. And remember, folks, every plan includes tools like AI-driven content generation, link shorteners, analytics, and much more. 6 amazing features that make Postly pop. AI magic? From AI writers to image makers, be ready to be amazed. Link shortener. Bid adieu to clunky URLs with Postly's link shortener, offering a cleaner, more user-friendly way to share links, elevating aesthetics and functionality. Powerful recurring post feature. Harness the power of set and forget with a recurring post feature, guaranteeing a consistent without the manual hassle. Mobile app. Stay connected and in control on the move with Postly's mobile app, breaking the chains to your desk and offering genuine dynamic management. Bulk upload. Who has the time for one-by-one uploads? Analytics. Knowledge is power. Know your numbers and conquer your game. With its intuitive design and potent features, Postly isn't merely a management tool. It's a digital ally, arming you with the capabilities to truly dominate the social media landscape while saving both time and energy. Who's going to love Postly? Influencers, marketing agencies, social media managers, entrepreneurs, businesses big and small, bloggers and content creators. Anyone who's ever thought, there's gotta be an easier way. Grab an extra 10% off at AppSumo. Looking at the AppSumo Postly Lifetime Deal? Hold on to your hats though, because I have an exciting bit of information for you. Extra 10% discount heads up. Trust me, you're wide awake. On top of the jaw-dropping deal you're getting, there's a golden chance to receive another 10% off. For those number crunchers out there, that's like a double dip of discount goodness. Steps to unlock this deal. Head to AppSumo's Postly Lifetime Deal page. Spot that irresistible pop-up offer. Punch in your active email. Remember, consistency is key. Stick with that email. Keep an eagle eye on your inbox for that 10% off surprise. So what's the holdup? Dive in and watch those savings stack up. What are users saying about the Postly Lifetime Deal on AppSumo? Hello there, smart people. Have you ever wondered what all the fuss is about with Postly? Let's go into real user evaluations to learn more about Postly's magic from actual users' viewpoints. Still thinking? Oh, come on! A world of automated, intelligent, and streamlined social media awaits you. Now, if you love this sneak peek into Postly, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more juicy deals and reviews. Catch you in the social media stratosphere with Postly!